how to remove blackheads naturally with baking soda. Hey everyone, Rob here from Remarkable Remedies and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to go over 5 easy ways that you can remove blackheads with baking soda. Now, if you're ready, let's get into it. Blackheads are a common skin problem for millions of people around the world. Blackheads are caused by excess sebum and dead skin cells in the pores and make your face look patchy and dull. Beauty salons offer quite a few expensive treatments and products that can apparently resolve blackheads, but most of them are ineffective and quite expensive as well. However, there is a simple thing that you can do to eliminate blackheads, and it's something we all have at home: baking soda. Baking soda is a mild abrasive which can deep clean your pores and exfoliate your skin, leaving it clean, soft, and smooth afterwards. I know what you're thinking. Does it really work? Yes, it does. You see, baking soda is a chemical-free ingredient that can eliminate blackheads and other skin problems as well. It unclogs your pores and turns the environment within to alkaline, leaving it clean and smooth. Okay, but how do I use baking soda against blackheads? If you're suffering from blackheads, baking soda can help you in many ways. Here are a few baking soda-based blackhead remedies. Number 1, a paste of baking soda and water. Mix equal amounts of baking soda and water to get a paste, then massage your face with it. Leave the paste on for 2 to 3 minutes, then remove it with lukewarm water. After that, splash your face with cold water and apply a nice moisturizer. Repeating the process every day should remove all impurities from your face and leave your skin soft and smooth. Number 2, baking soda and honey. Mix a teaspoon of honey and baking soda. Then use the paste and massage it on your face. Leave it on for 5 minutes, then remove it with lukewarm water. Number 3, baking soda and toothpaste. Yes, a mixture of toothpaste and baking soda can remove blackheads from your face. Mix equal parts baking soda and toothpaste in a bowl, then soak a cloth in warm water and apply it to the affected areas of your face. Now, take a bit of the paste on your fingers and massage the affected areas. Then scrub it gently with a toothbrush. After that, leave the paste for a minute or 2, then take it off with water. Number 4, baking soda and ACV, also known as apple cider vinegar. Mix equal amounts of baking soda and ACV, then rub the paste on the blackheads and leave it on for a half hour. After it sets for a half hour, remove it with a bit of lukewarm water. Then apply a thick layer of your favorite moisturizer. Number 5, baking soda, lemon juice, and sugar. Mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda and sugar each with a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Then watch as it fizzes. Let the fizzy reaction pass before scrubbing your face with it. Leave the mixture on for 15 to 20 minutes, then remove it with lukewarm water. Although baking soda is pretty much safe for everyone to use, it can dry out your skin if used excessively and make your skin too alkaline. Try and use these remedies every couple days and you'll see a big difference and your blackheads starting to disappear or vanish. Okay, well, with all that said, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video on how to remove blackheads with baking soda. And if you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up and please share it with your friends. And please don't forget to subscribe as I'm uploading content weekly, and also tick that bell notification so you can get notified when I upload a video. That's all I got for today. I'm Rob from Remarkable Remedies. Take care and God bless.